Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and we're back with another quick vehicle walk-around tour. Today we're going to be featuring the 2023 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 Coupe. This comes in a black exterior, this really nice two-tone kind of light gray and dark gray interior. And in today's video, just going to show you some of those interior and exterior features, walk you through how some of those things work, and if you want a more in-depth walkthrough, or you want to, even set up a test drive, you know where to find us. FeldmannImports.com. Love to answer any questions you may have, or once again, set up that test drive. So here is our interior. You can see this nice light gray leather seats. We've got this nice wood grain accent trim, the dark gray leather, and then the nice accent stitching. Really sharp. We've got power memory heated seats here. All your door and window controls, your trunk here. We've got our steering wheel here next. We'll show you a few more things once we actually hop inside. And I do have a sunroof as well. And let's go ahead and hop in. All right, so mileage currently at 1,920. Go ahead and start her up with our push button ignition there. All right, so we'll start with some steering wheel controls. So you've got on your left side, this is how you can control and configure your driver interface. Go ahead and zoom in, there we go. So you can definitely customize, whether you want to do some navigation, kind of keep your eyes on the next turn. Radio, if you want to see what you're currently listening to, make adjustments there. Quickly change between different stations and whatnot, and so much more. On your right side, you've got the same sort of controls here, but this is for the main display. So just hit the home button, which brought us back to the main screen, and then just flipping through with this little touchpad to select whatever I'd like, say the radio, and just push in to actually select. While we're on the steering wheel, there is our Mercedes-Benz shifter. If you're not familiar with how this works, you just flip up for reverse, which does activate your backup camera here. And then push down for drive, and then in for park. All right, so there we go. Got our display here. Showed you how you could control it with your steering wheel controls. It is also a touchscreen, so of course you can use it as a touchscreen as well. You want to adjust, say, your seat settings. You want to change some of the ambient lighting throughout the vehicle. Very easy to do through the menu system here. You've got all kinds of different effects you can play with as far as the lights go. So that's just some of the single color. We also have multicolor effects, which is just a lot of fun to kind of play with and really customize and make the vehicle your own. All right, so below our display, we do have our physical climate controls here, so you can use this to easily increase, decrease the temperature, the fan speed, set it to auto, and let it do everything for you. There's also a climate menu, so you can hit that button there, and then you're right back on your display. And you can, again, access this using the touchscreen itself, using your steering wheel controls, and also on your center console, you do have a third option here, which with this touchpad, which you just push down to select, and then kind of go from there. While we're down here, we do have a wireless charging pad for a cell phone right down there. We've got our USB connection, a little power adapter there, cup holders, and then we have our dynamic select switch here, which this is how you'll select between the different performance modes, which will affect how the vehicle performs for you out there on the road. Down here also you can quickly access your vehicle settings, navigation, radio, or telephone if you got that connected, and your volume controls as well. Alright, go ahead and hop out, show you the rear seats here next, as well as the trunk space. Alright, so once again, that nice two-tone look with the accent stitching, you'll find that throughout the vehicle. Got rear seats here. Another quick look up at your sunroof. And let's go ahead and take another quick peek back up front. right. Coming around to the rear, we have our badging, CLA 250, Mercedes-Benz, and 4MATIC. Power opening trunk. Personally really kind of love the flipping the Mercedes logo like that to pop open your trunk. Just kind of a very unique feature. And there you have it, folks. That is the 2023 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250. If you're interested in learning more about this vehicle, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.